Hi, it's Thursday. And Thursday is always my sewing day. I Zoom with my friends. And I love it. It's really fun. So I just thought I'd pop on and tell you what I'm working on today. I am working on making a backing for my Bargello quilt that if you've been following me a long time, I started this in 2015. My goal last month was to border it. I did put the borders on. The bird's a little sideways, but I got the borders on. So my goal this month is to finish the backing and get that together. Next month to baste it. I might start quilting it next month too, but I'm trying to do one step at a time so that I can finish a goal. Do you do that? I make lists. So I have this sheet. It's a cotton sheet. It's yellow. And I thought, because it's a king size sheet, it should fit perfectly, but it's a little too small. So a little too short. So I'm gonna make one of those strips in the middle with a few blocks across to lengthen it. So what I thought I'd do is, I have this white sheet, cotton sheet, that I am going to cut an 18-inch square, and I'm going to use these are all from Bargello quilt, my leftover, oh, here they are, some yellow and blue 2-inch squares. And I hope to make, with this fabric, a star. So I'm gonna cut the white sheet about 18 inches. And I have that, I kind of drew it out. Let me show you. Okay, here I am. I do my stuff on my tablet, and I have a needlework journal that I scribble in. So I kind of drew this out. You can see it looks almost like a present, but it's a star. And I got that idea from watching, let me see if I can find the name of the video. Layer Cake Scattered Stars quilt from the Fat Quarter Shop. That is a neat video. You should watch it. And it's a great pattern. Although I don't need the pattern because it's smaller than what I need. I need to have an 18-inch block to get my backing long enough. So I plan to do the sashing in these leftover strips and the star in this turquoise. So I hope it works out. You can see back again on my drawing, right here is the block I'm hoping to finish up with. So we'll see how it goes. So that's what my project is today, at least to get these blocks started. And at the end of my time, I'm going to Zoom with Thursdays is when I Zoom with some of my friends, my quilting sisters, and I love them so much. So I'll see how far I get if I don't chat too much with the girls. I might have a few blocks made. And at the end of the day, I'll tack the pictures of those on when I put this little video on. Okay, see you later. Bye. Here is what I finished this morning sewing with my girlfriends. I cut the blocks, the white blocks. I've cut the strips. I snowballed the strips, and I have them all laid out to put my 5 blocks together. When I've done that, I'll come back and show you those completed. At the end of this, I'm going to put some pictures of the process of putting this traveling star block together. And like I said, go to the YouTube for Fat Quarter Shop and watch it. It's really easy and fun, and I think you'll love it.